What's up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. I am under isolation for 7 days, and today is my seventh day actually. And I finally decided to vlog this. Reason being, I have little energy now, and I'm feeling a lot better. A lot better, as in it's 3 o'clock. Since morning, I was so sick and I was so low on energy. But finally, that I'm feeling better, I thought I will vlog. I decided yesterday I'm gonna vlog today and kind of take you guys through what I'm doing, because it's been 7 days and I haven't really done anything. Although I was tested negative, I lost my sense of smell and taste. I still don't have taste. It's been 7 days. So yes, I cut down on sugar completely. I think the best part about not being able to taste is that you can just eat anything and everything, and it would not even matter. Like, it's weird, but it's nice. I think it's nice because I could cut down on sugar completely. Also, because they say that sugar is food to your virus. So yeah, despite I was tested negative, we decided that I'm gonna be under isolation. Reason being, घर में सारे लोग 60 plus हैं except for me and Rohi, and we didn't want anybody else to carry it from me. So yes, I'm under isolation in my room throughout the day with my plants. I think they give me like a lot of strength because they're the only one like who are with me throughout the day. It was 3-4 days I was very very weak. Like, I was so low on energy. My blood pressure was down. It was 60 by 80. I was just sleeping throughout the day. I was not able to eat anything. I was not feeling hungry. I'm still not feeling hungry. I'm just eating food just so I can fill my stomach and take medicine. So this morning, since I didn't wash my hair for 7 days, I decided to do some hair care, and I used this Amla oil from Wow Skin Science. It's an intensive care for dry and itchy scalp. It also treats dandruff, nourishes your roots, and protects your strands from breakage. The oil delivers the goodness of amla extract, lemon essential oil in a blend of 5 natural cold pressed oils. It's also non sticky, it is 99% plant derived hair oil, and Wow Skin Science is an Indian brand. And every product of there comes with a QR code for authentication purpose. I also use the Wow app because it's really easy to navigate. So I'm having my lunch now, and this is what we have for the lunch: rasam rice. Like, this is legit all the things that I have on my bed. That's my laptop watching something or doing something. That's the napkin, of course, because you need it. And then there are 2 water bottles, vitamin C gummies. These were actually very good, and I mixed the Veda Nest one also in here, but I can't taste, so there's no point. There's certain things to eat, my meds, then there's a hand cream, sanitizer, ORS, and few multivitamins. And this is the new book that I have just started now. Took it out only this month to write down this month's goal and plan this month, because of course I had a lot of time to do all of those things. And this is the book that I use on a daily basis, which is almost full. And this is the book that I'm reading currently, and we are on page number 91. Not bad. So Rohi just made Vai for me, and I cannot even taste this. For those of you who do not know what Vai is, the Nepalese noodles you can call it, and this is how they look. I tried Vai and uska koi taste nahi aaya. In general, Vai is like one of my favorite things to have for dinner. I mean, I can have it anytime, but usually I and Rohi eat it in dinner. So I've been like very anxious and cranky because I really feel like eating something that I can taste, and वो हो नहीं रहा है. So Roy, read on Google, and he gave me carom seeds in this kerchief, and he says smell it, because apparently if you like smell, if you get your smell back, you would also get the taste back. So we're just trying. I'm smelling it. I'm not able to smell it. Like very very little, very little. नहीं तो अभी तक छींक आ जाती. What's up, people? I feel a lot better. Doll is home and she's cooking for me. She and Rohi are doing something together, and I'm excited to eat what comes my way, because I'm sure it's gonna be different than what I've been eating. I want to eat something cheesy despite not having any taste back. I'm able to smell a little bit. and it feels good. But yeah, I was just watching this episode that Malvika Sitlani did with Sushant Devgir, if I'm pronouncing his name right. That he's been explaining about LGBTQ and everything about human rights and stuff. It's so empowering. I think we've been conditioned, from the childhood, that you have to think like this, you have to do certain things like that, and you're a girl, you're a boy, and all of those things. But in the episode, they're literally explaining how you can unlearn a lot of things that you've learned over the time, and really have a mindset of love and just accept somebody the way they are. And if they're not coming from the right place, you still have to treat them right, and it takes really nothing from us. So it's really nice. I think I'm going to link it below, so just if it reaches more people, nothing like it, right? And someday I want to be in a position where I interview people like that, who empower more people, and make you accept the way you are, and the way, in general, the way people are. You come from a place of no judgment. No matter what people are doing, you just don't judge them. You're in such a better state of mind when you don't judge people. What has been cooked for me. Sure. Thank you, guys. Okay, let me taste. वाओ, चीज़ तो बहुत ही अच्छे से ऊपर मेल्ट हो रही है। But I can't taste. Maybe garlic will hit you inside, or black pepper. I can only taste salt. Black pepper? Good morning, you guys. I'm in my balcony. I've revamped my balcony a little bit. I'm having chai now. So yesterday was the day when I decided that I'm going to do something for my balcony. So ever since I've shifted to this house, I've been willing to do something with the balcony, but it never happened. But yesterday I did something. It's not finally done yet because we need lamps. We also need the lights, and we need a lot of other things. Yeah, but yesterday was good. I felt a lot better, and I'm in much better health now. It's just that I'm still isolating because, like I said, and not going out as well. But I'm feeling completely fine. I'm off medication as well, and it feels good. But my taste is not back yet. My smell is not, like, I can still smell a little bit, but बहुत अच्छे से कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. So yeah, that's the update. And sorry for the morning, whatever. But vlogs are all about that, right? They have to be real. This is the plant that I got about a year ago. And this is obviously a new leaf, and it's got a lot of new leaves. And they say that, Mama says actually, that if you cut all of these dead and damaged pieces, damaged leaves, then they grow. And I recently cut one, like you can see this. So I recently cut this one, and we have a new leaf now. I woke up late, having breakfast around 12:30 now. Just showered. Sunita Didi, क्या हुआ? डांस नहीं कर रहे? डांस नहीं कर रहे? डांस करते थे, तू वीडियो नहीं करते. What's up, you guys? So like a lot of people, mango is my favorite fruit as well, and I really am hoping that when I actually try it today, it doesn't feel like mango. It's so weird. Yesterday I could taste tomato, and I felt so good. I felt like, wow, it's coming back. I can finally taste something. But now it's again like I really hoped mango ka taste aata. But I mean, it's my first of the season, so it feels good. But taste nahi aaya, and that's okay. It's okay. Give your taste buds some time. Be grateful for what you're able to feel right now, is all I'm telling myself. It's just the satisfaction that you give yourself. I've realized how important it is to really, spend time with yourself. Like, it's the best thing in the world. When you're spending time with yourself, I think that's the time that you realize that, bro, you've got so much in you, and there's so much that yourself wants to talk to you. and you never really gave that time to yourself. you know it's very random that I'm just eating mango and talking about this thing, but I have actually, what do you say, I think I can call it the three habits that I've picked up while being with myself. One is I've realized that it is so good to spend time with yourself. Like, you need to hear yourself out. You need to really understand what your thought process is. You need to understand the constant juggle that you have in your brain. I think you should just sit down with yourself and just pen down your thoughts. It's so important. I've been a person who've always been writing the to-do list, but I never really sat down and pen down my thoughts unless like I was really into an extreme situation. But it really helps when you write things down like that. And the second thing that I think that I've picked up is morning meditation. Now, it might sound very different to few people, but I think when I was like going through the anxiety phase, when I didn't know why am I feeling certain way and why my thoughts are so like you're not improving, you're not getting your taste back, and I was really weak for first few days. And I think meditation calms yourself down. It like a lot of things that you actually start feeling when you start meditating. And trust me, it takes time, like for you to sit and in the morning especially, to sit down and meditate for, let's say, 10 minutes. It's gonna be a lot. I've been doing the guided meditations, and if you've never done meditation, then guided meditations are your best thing. It might take some time for you to really come on terms with concentration for straight 10 minutes, and it's completely okay. You might take few days to do that, but when you do that, when you're like able to sit and listen to what they're saying for 10 minutes, it's it's gonna give very good vibrations, the very fresh and pure vibrations to your day. And I think that's the best way to start your day. And the third habit that I've picked up is, I actually picked it up from Rohi. He writes his blessings every morning, and he has always asked me to do it, and I do it on my phone. Like, I have a different note section in my phone wherein I write my notes down, but I recently started writing it down. I think it creates a very different impact on your brain when you write it instead of typing. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if it's unnecessary, but yeah, these are the three habits that I've really picked up and I've been enjoying doing them. Also, I and my family got tested today. We're waiting for the reports. We got tested because we came in contact with somebody who was in contact with a positive COVID positive person. However, the person that we came in contact with has got reports today, and that person is negative. However, we just didn't want to risk it. Hi guys, it's been 2 days and I completely forgot that I had to end the vlog. So if you've made it till here, thank you so much for watching this vlog. And I said that my family got tested, so all of us were actually negative. So we started the work and everything is really back to being normal, and really glad about that. But you take care, and I'll see you next time.